Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Edge. Stock number is A7831. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have dual point exhaust, a rear backup camera, and this Edge is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.